Welcome, beautiful people. Please excuse the mess in the background. It's just how my hotel room looks after 2 days of living in it. Today I survived standby. The same was yesterday, so I had a time a little bit to explore this new destination. So I've walked around Cologne for a little bit. And tomorrow we are going to Las Palmas. It's a full flight. It's a long flight, which I'm not a big fan of. I'd rather do 4 sectors rather than two long legs. It's about roughly 4.5 hours each way. I do not really like it from a point of view that there's a lot of people who, for them it's a long flight, they're cramped in their seats, they want to stand up, they want to walk, they want to stretch, they want to queue for the toilet, and there's no space for the crew to have a little bit of privacy or to eat or to just chill. So that's why I don't like it. But I mean, once in a while, I guess it's okay to do. So tomorrow, Las Palmas, it's a long flight, as I said, and I tend to not eat on board. So I usually just drink coffee, tea, water, and I try not to eat. But I was on leave for almost a month. I was off work for almost a month. I gained a lot of weight on my leave, so I decided it's time to diet a little bit, or like try to lose some kilos or something. And what worked for me before was a keto diet, and I kind of like it because, I don't like those diets or when you cannot eat or when you can eat only fruits and veggies and stuff like that. So I liked keto because I could eat whatever I like, which is mainly, I don't like that many vegetables or fruits. So I like to eat cheese and meat and stuff like that. So keto worked for me. So I decided that I might show you what I bought for tomorrow's flight. Again, I don't tend to eat that much, so I didn't buy very much, but let's see how it goes. So let's see what I bought. So, I personally really like caprese salad, so tomatoes, mozzarella, and pesto, and I could eat it every day, literally. Every day, and I'm happy about it. So, I decided, since I usually eat it only at home, when I'm at home in Prague, and it's quite easy to do on board, so I decided to go for that. So, here it is. I bought cherry tomatoes because the big tomatoes that were in the shops didn't seem very nice. So I bought these small ones. Mozzarella I have in the fridge, so I cannot forget it to take it out in the morning. I bought pesto, which I'm not going to use it all, so I'm going to keep a little bit for later. And just in case I'm a little bit more hungry, I bought protein bread. These Haribos, even though I like, these are not part of my keto diet. They are actually for my hubby. But I bought these in case. So this is a lower carb protein regal sticks. So that's just in case I'm a little bit feel like something sweet. So this is that. And maybe, I don't know if you like online shopping from Temu. I actually bought these that came. I'm not sure if I'm gonna struggle because here in the hotels we don't have cutlery mainly, and it's easy to take on board. So I bought these they were really cheap and they look really nice. Look at the gold. So they have even chopsticks, spoon, fork, and knife. I like it very much. It was about, I don't even think it was €4. I think it was less. It comes with this little package, and I like it very much. So this is literally what I have for tomorrow for the flight. Let's see what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna take you with, and yeah, tomorrow we're going to Las Palmas.
Well, I probably don't have to tell you, as it was my first time cooking on board. It didn't go very well. I realized I have nothing to cut it in. Thankfully, the bread was actually sliced, but the mozzarella wasn't, so I had to cut it and improvise. However, it still tasted good, so I'm sure next time it's gonna be perfect. Or almost perfect. Alright, see ya guys and talk to you later.